Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Anfilank brand. Their Gooseneck electric kettle holds 33.8 ounces, 100% stainless steel, this beautiful color I just love. It's all BPA free. It's a classic pour over coffee kettle. It has auto shut off and boil dry protection, and it is ETL rated, the USA company, so that it is totally safe. And this is the turquoise blue. If you look on the bottom right here, you can see the ETL rating right there in that number. That lets you know that it's totally safe to use in your kitchen. And this, you can wrap this around inside here if you like to make it even smaller, the size of it. So we're gonna show you what the inside of this looks like. This product also comes with a full 1-year warranty, and if you look on Amazon, it gets excellent customer ratings. So this is a 1500 watt heating element in there, and that means it's going to heat up really fast. That's almost 2 times what a toaster has in heating capacity. And it's going to heat up just really quickly in less than 5 minutes. And with all the auto shut-offs and all the safety of the ETL, this is really great. Everything's food grade stainless steel, and that's 304, which is the best one they could use, and it's all BPA free. And you basically want to use this for water boiling and fast heating of water. And that gooseneck, you're going to be able to pour it out really slow and get real accurate water going into your cup to make tea or coffee or soups or anything like oatmeal that requires hot water. And the size of this is pretty decent. That 1 liter or that 33 ounces is great. And you're going to want to have this on your kitchen because it is attractive looking. And this kettle also comes with a nicely written instruction booklet telling you about care and cleaning for it. Let's take a look at the cover right here. It's got little vent holes on there and little tabs that will get the right amount of pressure to hold on. And this is all, looks like it's glazed down, really nice. And if you look at the inside of this, let's take a look right here. So I have a flashlight right here, we can look inside there. You can see it has a 1 cup marker right there to quickly boil 1 cup. And this stem right here gives feedback to the sensor so that it'll have the auto boil function enabled. On the bottom of the unit there is the ETL rating again, and it has the connections, and they're totally safe, and that's what connects to the base. And the base right here has connections also, and these are safe to the touch because they're all inside. Really nice. I want to show you that inside there is a filter made out of stainless steel, so that will block some of the larger things like the grounds and also your tea leaves if it happened to break your tea inside there. But generally you're going to be putting water in here, so you don't need to have that, but they did include a nice strainer there. The first thing you want to do, you want to clean this out and then fill it with water to the maximum line on there, and then let the water boil, and then discard that water, and then you're ready to use the kettle. So here I have it plugged into 120 volts, and I have some water in here, and when you hit this button right down, you can see that the light comes on, a little neon light, and that's letting you know that it is starting the heat up process. And you can hear it starting to boil almost immediately. You can hear the sound of the water inside there. And you can see it's steaming right there, so that was really quick. It was only about 1.5 minutes, not even less. And now it's really boiling. And now it finished boiling. Now we could pour right into my cup right here. See how nice it pours? Look at that beautiful arc it's making, because they've got that end right there designed perfectly so that the water flows right out of there. Very nice. Here's my cup of tea and my cookie. So very nice product. So after testing, what do I think about the Anfilank brand, their Gooseneck electric kettle? Really nice product. As I demonstrated, it heats up really fast. It looks really nice, and I'm impressed with it. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.